Hi! If you are an artist, and in particular a surface pattern designer that share the work on print-on-demand website or wish to do it, but doesn't like the part where you have to find an effective title, a compelling description, and tags to make your work visible on this kind of platform, this class is the one that you don't want to miss. Today, I'm so happy and thrilled to share with you something that I created that made my life so much easier that I couldn't just keep it for myself. So basically, what I'm going to do is show you how you can use, let's say, a plugin that I created for ChatGPT. Basically, it's like a specific version of ChatGPT with the purpose to help artists to create and optimize the title, the description, and the tags for their creation. Today we are going to do it using as example Spoonflower. Spoonflower is a platform where you can upload your pieces, as in this case, and for example having it in fabrics or also home decor, wallpaper, and so on. The point is that I wanted to show you how you can make fun the process of creating title, description, and tags. And well, if we didn't meet before, my name is Madamom. I'm an artist with many passion, many accent, and also with a background in computer science and usability in particular. And I love to be productive. I am productive, not so organized. So when I find a workflow or tips and tricks that help me to do it, I'm so happy to share it and to improve also the life of others. So I hope this class is going to be super useful also for you, and be tuned because later, exactly, I'm going also to share the link of this plugin that I did for ChatGPT. If you know me here in the platform in Skillshare, you know that I already released a class about AI and ChatGPT in particular some months ago. This one is more specific, but again, if you want a general introduction for creative and my favorite way to use ChatGPT, even though ChatGPT is evolving so much, definitely I suggest you to watch also that class. But now, grab your cup of coffee and let's start.